Okay, guys. So now that you have your assembly and that you have your um, exploded view, okay, I'm gonna show you quickly how to create the drawings, which are basically the format in which I need you to upload them for the partial report. Okay, so if you go to Model, right, you have here your assembly, and you can click Model, Drawing from Design. Okay, so the first one, let's make it out of the full assembly. Okay, template from scratch, yeah, and then create new, standard ISO, units millimeters, usually A4. It's a good size sheet, and then you click OK, and you wait for the new file to load. So you can play with all this stuff eventually. I'm just gonna show you quickly how to put your assembly in place. Okay, so basically you have it here. You can put it wherever you like. Remember, you can reference it to the center by following these lines. Okay, so let's say here it's at the center, right? And we can select which kind of view: visible edges, hidden edges, shaded, etc. Okay, we'll leave it like that. Scale, you can choose the scale, make it smaller or even bigger. Okay, but I'll suggest try to see which one can fit the more drawings within the same sheet. Okay, so that's basically it. Edge visibility, and then you click OK, and you have it like that. Okay, now after this, what you want to do is, depending on the model, you want to have some standard views like isometric view, front, side, etc. Okay, so this one, obviously the front and the side would be basically the same, but we can have different views. So you just click drawing views and then the projected view. Okay, you can come here, you can select it, and then basically depending on where you move it, you'll have here, for example, the top view, right? And then the side view, which is the same, so no need for that one. The bottom view changes a little bit, so we'll put it. And then, for example, the isometric view, we can have it here. And, well, any of the other isometric views might look pretty much the same. So maybe let's put this one as well. And that's pretty much it. Okay, so after you're done, you click enter, and basically the different views are saved, and so far so good, right? Now I won't ask you right now to do this, but eventually you'll have to put the dimensions for the final delivery. So you can click in dimensions and correctly put the dimensions for each part. Okay, like for example the diameters, etc. Okay, you don't need to deliver it like this in the first partial, but you will need to have this on the final delivery. Okay, so just be sure that you can do all this stuff. Again, maybe you want to have a section view, etc., but just check that out on your own time. So far, this would be what I need for the first partial. Okay, so let's say this is the one for the complete assembly, and then you just click output as a PDF, save it as it is, and then click OK wherever you want. Let's say assembly, click save, and then here you have it. Okay, so this is how it should look like, and then you can add this PDF file to your PDF report. Okay, just add it as it is. Now, after you have this, let's say you go back to your assembly, and again you want to have the drawing here from design, but instead of the full assembly, you want to select each component. Okay, so I need a sheet for the full assembly, and then a sheet for each of the parts you have. Okay, so let's say I'll select the rod here, and then again in A4, click OK. I'll be prompted to the new one. Again, here it is, and I basically just need to be patient, and there we go. Okay, now remember the scale, this is 2:1. If I would put a scale 1:1, when I print the page, it would basically be the actual final shape. So maybe you might want to have something like this, I don't know, but in this case, since I want to use pretty much all of the size, I could even put it like 4:1, and there we go. I'll put one like this, right? And then click OK. Just wait, and that's it. Okay. So far so good. And then again, I might want some dimensions. say like a linear dimension. You specify a point. Well, my computer is being a bit slow now, so just I'll skip this for a while, and then you can do it on your own time. Okay, again, output PDF, all sheets, okay, wrote, save, and there you go. Okay, uh, you might want to change something here, so maybe you want to add something else. Edit title block. Um, yes. No, forget about it. I thought you might be able to change this. Apparently not. So again, just forget about all this stuff. Okay. And then what the other thing I want to show you is how you can have again a drawing, but from the animation. So you can have a drawing for your exploded view. Same stuff. Click OK, and basically now you'll have the drawing for your exploded view. And there you go. You just put it there. Maybe in this case I want the exploded view to be different, and I click OK. Wait for it, and that's it. Okay, again, output PDF, all sheets. I say exploded, save, and there you go. Okay, if you don't know how to do it, at least I know how to do it in Mac. So for example, you just open the file in preview. Okay, you just click here. Sorry, no, where is it? Sorry, it was here. Thumbnails. Okay, and what I basically do is take each of these and put it on top, and then the rod, put it again here. I can arrange them however I want. Okay, so here you can see now it's a 3-page file. You basically want to put all of them together, and if I just click save, now it's been saved as exploded, and now the exploded PDF basically has all of the files in it. Okay, so this is how you can put different PDF files together, at least on the Mac. That's it. Thanks a lot, guys.